Now we are going to see the security mechanism that is use of X800 and RFC 2828. Okay, RFC is nothing but the request for comment, and X800 is a standard provided for your open. These are the recommendation provided by the open system interconnections. Okay, so what is X500? Okay, so X500 is an extension recommendation of the X200, which is describe the reference model for open system interconnection. It establishes a framework for coordinating and developing of existing and future recommendation for the system interconnection. And the objective of this OSI is to permit the interconnection of heterogeneous computer systems so that communication between the application process may be achieved. We know that for effective communication we have to provide the number of we have to consider the number of factors like like originality, like authentication, data confidentiality, integrity will not be impaired, and so all these things are we have to consider for a secure transmission. So to provide the detailing, these X800 standards are implemented by the OSI system. So it defines the general security related architecture elements for which protection of communication between open system is required. It establishes a framework for the reference model, guidelines, and constraint to improve the existing recommendation in order to allow the secure communication. इसमें फिर बहुत सारे रेफरेंस मॉडल्स फॉर्म किए गए होंगे, जैसे कि कंस्ट्रेंट वहाँ पर इम्प्रोवाइज किए गए हैं, गाइडलाइंस वहाँ पर प्रोवाइड की गई होंगी फॉर द सिक्योर कम्युनिकेशन. It provides a general description for security services and related mechanisms and defines the position with the reference model. कौन से जगह पर किस मैकेनिज्म के थ्रू सिक्योरिटी हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. दीज आर द डिस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट रिटन इन योर X800. Okay. The OSI security architecture provides a useful overview of many concepts that take eyes on the mechanism. कैसे कैसे मैकेनिज्म हम लोग यूज करने वाले हैं उसको हम लोग देखेंगे. For security attacks, any action that compromises the security of information owned by the somebody, including unauthorized reading of message, of file, and traffic analysis. Security attacks means what? What any kind of event is occurred on your information system, which is unauthorized one, and it will compromise your important data. Okay. Whatever the security mechanism, it is a process that designed to detect or prevent the security attack to be held. One this the procedures or the procedures we have to follow to डिटेक्ट करना या प्रिवेंट करना सिक्योरिटी अटैक को. अगर हो जाता है तो हम लोग उसको डिटेक्ट करेंगे और होने से पहले अगर हम लोग उसको प्रिवेंट कर सकें. And a number of services are provided, that is the process of enhancing or improvising the security of data processing system and information exchange between the application processes. Okay, so the in this X800 and RFC 2828, RFC 2828 is a one kind of descriptionary procedures are written in under the X800 standard. So here are the number of definitions of your threat and attack. Threat means a potential violation of security which exists when there is an action or event that could be breach security and cause harm. ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपकी सिक्योरिटी को ब्रेक करने के बाद आपको हार्म कर सकती है, ठीक है. Attack is nothing but the intelligent act, that is deliberate attempt to evade security services and violate the security policies of a system. थ्रेट मतलब उसमें कुछ एक्शंस इन्फॉर्म करना, डराने की कोशिश या फिर उसका हार्म करने की कोशिश. अटैक मीन्स एक हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि एक इंटेलिजेंट एक्ट या इवेंट हम लोग डायरेक्टली ऑफर करते हैं जो सिस्टम के ऊपर डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करता है. ओके, so these are the terms written in RFC 2828. Accordingly, X800 standard, there are 8 security dimensions we have to address. That is access control. That means who is responsible for providing the access and who is able to access this control. For example, the number of clients are there for a single server system and they want to get the access control for read, write, and execute the file over the network. So these kind of things or these kind of standard written over here Then authentication is a process in which we are going to authenticate the personal, or you can say that person, or the authorized data or originating, to check the originating of a origination of your system. Okay. उसके बाद नॉन रिपीटेशन, डेटा कंसिस्टेंसी, सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, इंटीग्रिटी, अवेलेबिलिटी एंड प्राइवेसी। हम लोग एक एक को चेक करेंगे। ऑथेंटिकेशन इज वन काइंड ऑफ सर्विस रिक्वायर्ड which is which is identify the originality of your system or person. Peer entity authentication means this is a service provided for use the establishment or data during data transfer phase of a connection to confirm the identities of one or more entities. Identities को confirmation देना, या फिर data origin authentication means a corroboration of the data unit. It doesn't provide protection against duplication or modification of data units. Okay. डेटा की ओरिजिनेशन चेक करना या फिर किसी पर्टिकुलर एंटिटी को ओरिजिनेट करना, उसके लिए हम ऑथेंटिकेशन प्रोसेस यूज करते हैं। एक्सेस कंट्रोल हमने बताया कि हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एक्सेसिंग द डेटा एंड having a rights to read, write and execute your files and whatever the data stored on a such system. Data confidentiality is a provides a protection of data from other unauthorized disclosure using methods. हम लोग कनेक्शन को एस्टेब्लिश करेंगे, कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड जो सर्विसेज होंगे उनको कॉन्फिडेंट करेंगे। उसके बाद कुछ फील्ड्स होंगे, कुछ ट्रैफिक्स होंगे, हम उसकी कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी चेक करेंगे। ओके, वन टू वन कम्युनिकेशन इज द बेस्ट वे। Data integrity, that means actual data will be provided from sender to receiver. There is no any kind of compromisation is done, or duplication of your data will not be happen over there. So it is a process of data integrity, one of the dimension we have to consider. नॉन रेपुटेशन मतलब क्या है कि गुमराह करना एक तरीके से with the proof of origin. That means suppose A and B is there, and A sends a message. A and B, though sender and receiver are there, and B gets some kind of data, and he assumed that the A data is came from the A side, but actually the data is sent by the another user, that is C, which is pretend to be like a original user. Okay, so that kind of thing is called as a non-repudiation. That means हम लोगों को डिनाई करना है कि ये ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड से ही भेजा गया है। Okay, so there are so many security mechanisms when also mentioned in this X800, that is encipherment, digital signature, data integrity, data authentication, routing control mechanisms, and so on. Okay, so this is all about your X800 and RFC 2828 standards. टर्म्स पूछा जा सकता है आपको एग्जाम में, सो आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा। ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर।